When I went to see my doctor, she chose Lyrica.
Taking the Lyrica, the pain started to subside.
It's known that diabetes damages nerves. Lyrica is FDA approved to treat diabetic nerve pain. Lyrica is not for everyone. It may cause serious allergic reactions or suicidal thoughts or actions. Tell your doctor right away if you have these new or worsening depression or unusual changes in motor behavior, or swelling, trouble breathing, rash, hives, blisters, changes in eyesight, including blurry vision. It's a wonderful feeling. Ask your doctor about Lyrica today. It's specific treatment for diabetic nerve pain. To hear more patient stories, visit Lyrica.com.
Yep, we're having us another winter storm.
Adventurers set out to discover new
Winter Storm Virgil, what they call it.
new ways.
That's my dad's
We
name.
are great explorers in search of hidden treasure.
I'm getting sick and tired of the snow. It needs to go away.
The
Really, it
treasure is
does.
still here.
Waiting to film my first storm in this awesome view I have.
Come uncover. Is in effect for our area.
The border between Iraq and Syria is patrolled day and night by this.
Currently, the
The border
temperature
between
is
Holland and Belgium
33
is literally
degrees
just
with
one
snow.
line that's labeled B on one side and H on the other.
Our local Doppler radar.
House looks like where I am. That's okay.
Winds northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Snow accumulating 1 to 2 inches on Monday. Cold, high 36. Chance of snow 50%. Our week ahead.
She's running a fast shoot though. That's fast shoot. See that.
Winter's from Virgil is tracking east after creating a
See, look. You can see tickets. How do you like that cake? No way. Ah, what you doing, no birds? Even did it. She changed it.
We'll be adding to those totals of the 2 feet plus that we've already seen. Now, right now, things are fairly quiet. The mid-30s out there for you. Not a whole lot of precipitation to deal with. Maybe a few flurries on both sides of town we may be dealing with. But what is to come is back to your west. And that's where we're seeing bigger impacts right now. Parts of Illinois, into Missouri.
No, you won't survive this! You will not!
At least at this point. So all that will work its way over towards the area. So here's what we've seen so far here. Those northern sections of Missouri into Illinois. You can see some of these areas here.
Soldiers go over there, but trying to use a Modern Warfare 3. That's kind of cool. Let's see how successful they
Lots of snow issues that we are dealing with now. So here's today. There's our area of low pressure working its way down through Washington. Moving west is where we'll find the snow threat, and then moving your way towards tomorrow, Monday, getting back to work. Mid-Atlantic region now getting into that action with the snow. DC, it looks like it'll start off as rain, but then switch over to some snow for you, some wet snow. The good news in DC at least is the temperature should stay a bit above the freezing mark, so roadway issues aren't necessarily what we think will be a problem.
Handicapped exit. There's a handicapped entrance, but then it just goes back to
Ocala area, heading over towards Daytona Beach, but Jacksonville starting to finally clear off as this stuff is pushing offshore for you. Nonetheless, heavy rain being reported right here along the I-75 corridor. If you're heading north out of Florida, you definitely want to use caution on the roadways. Here's why all of this is happening. We basically have a lot of warm, moist air here in places like Florida, South Georgia. It's colliding with this cool air to the north, so we have the setup here for severe weather, some very unstable air, and all of that is getting a little extra push from a jet stream that is very far south this time of year.
What's up, y'all? This is Josh the Super Tagger. The time right now is 10:06 in the morning, and we still have snow coming down here. Measure how much it was, because snow was still falling overnight. You can see how deep my foot is going. See if I'm holding it right. There we go. Holy crap, that's 10 inches. 10 inches of snow. Wow. Yep, we had us a very, very brutal snowstorm. Just as bad as Q was. And you can still see the snow coming down. When I zoom up to something dark, you can still see some flurries. Can't see it on my camcorder lens, but I'm pretty sure you can probably see it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk to the back here real quick. You take a look at the street back there. So, be right back. Okay. I just went through the most difficult walk of my whole life. I was walking through this sidewalk, as you remember back here. You can see my footsteps in the snow right there. That snow is deep. Like, I'm saying that's about a foot, because the plowers was coming past, as you can see right here. And this is, I mean, my feet right now are just cold. Like, I had to walk it off. It took me like about 2 minutes to walk that off because they were just freezing. And I'm probably gonna go walk back down there after a while. I gotta wait for my feet to warm back up, but man, that was cold. Felt like my feet were gonna fall off. Alright, anyways, here goes the whole view here. You can see the snow all over the field. You know, got the snow on the power, on the light pole. I was being careful with those power lines right back there. You know, power lines have snow on them too. You gotta be careful in case if they fall or arc or something. There's a transformer right there. But yeah, here goes the whole view for you. Right here, there goes Woodson Road right there. This street is pretty much clean, very wet though. And yep, that's about it, man. This was a crazy, crazy winter storm here. There goes another power line, transformer covered with snow. Yeah, that's about it. I'm really hoping that this helps us with our drought. I'm hoping that we don't lead into another drought. The jet stream is way south of us right now. Good thing it's not way up in Canada again, so that way we don't run into another drought. And yeah, man, expect we're gonna be getting some warm temperatures coming up Sunday. High of 62, so we're really gonna be in that spring feeling again. And yeah, man, that's about it. Josh Super Tagger giving you a little update about this storm here, and I'll see you guys later. Now I gotta take it like a man again and go on back to my adventure in the snow. Yeah, that's about it. Wish me good luck. Josh Super Tagger signing off. Peace.